this video, we're going to learn how to play the national anthem of India, Jana, Gana. I've broken it up into 6 sections, and I've also put the timestamps below so you can follow along with each section. Just remember to practice each part a couple of times before you go on to the next section. Let's get to a close-up. So I'll be playing each section through once, then I'll play it very slowly while saying which string and fret to play. So here's section 1. And that has D3, G0, G2, 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 G0, G2, G3, G2, 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 G0, 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 D2, G0, D3. So I say the string and then the fret number, or it's open for 0. That is the first section. Section 2. D3, then you're going to play B1 9 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you go B0, B1, B0, B1, G3, 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 G2, G0, G3, G2. And that was section 2. Here's section 3. G2 5 times. G0, B1 3 times, G3, 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 G2 3 times, G0 3 times, D2, G0, D3. That's section 3. Section 4 sounds like this. We have 6 G2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. G3, G0, G2, G3, G2, G3, B1, 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 G3, G2, G0, G3, G2, 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 G0, 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 D2, G0, D3. And that's part 4. Section 5. B1 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, B0, B1, 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 B0, B3, B1, G3, 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 G2, 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 G3, G0, G3, G2. That's part 5. Part 6, last part. E0, E0, E1, E0, B3, E0, B1, G2, B3, D3, D3, G0, G0, G2, G2, G0, G2, G3. Here's a full playthrough. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Just remember to practice each section a couple of times, and the next video will be the Star Spangled Banner. I will see you guys then.